This guy I'm about to interview, this guy's not even an academy student. This guy landed 2 jobs, one for 1,500 and one for 600, totaling $2,100. He has received about half payments upfront, just from Google Maps. Right? This guy doesn't pay me for anything. He just watches my free live streams. The live streams that you guys watch, and you don't take it seriously. People have been getting jobs, right? If watch the interview now, and if you know you have gotten any results, you have gotten jobs from any of my free trainings, type testimonial in the chat. So I'll DM you and we can schedule an interview. I know there are a lot of people that have gotten jobs from my free training, so type testimonial down below and I'll DM you and interview you. So let's get interviews rolling. Yeah, okay. So real quick, I just want to make this not too long, right? He started talking a couple of months ago, and we met on TikTok. So we started talking on WhatsApp, and I think what he just told me today, literally today, was that he used the Google Maps method I've been telling you guys to land a couple of jobs. Exactly. So first of all, can you just give us a background of like, okay, who you are and how did you even get into freelancing in the first place? How long have you been doing freelancing and all of that?
Thank you so much for this opportunity. So my name is Isaac. I based in Lagos. Currently now I've moved to Lagos.
Okay.
So and then I've been in freelancing space at 2021. So I started 2022. So then I'm into Shopify, app-based marketing. So at the end of the day, I've actually switched my digital skill to app development and website development.
Okay.
So from 2023, 2024, so things are not going fine. So I have to just find a means by learning another field. So that's how I moved to project manager.
Okay.
So during the project manager, I was able to acquire a team member. So currently now I own a mini company, let me just say a mini company named Tech Digital. So whereby I actually recruit young people that are actually very good. I source job for them, then we actually work together to get much pay. So that is what I do currently now. But to tell you, I source for jobs on different platforms in which the one you actually got during your life, I joined when I moved to Lagos, recently actually helped a lot. So I cannot hide that. So I was actually checking for how to make money by myself with different of people. Actually telling with my mental health. Making money can actually help your mental health. Just know that if you are not stable and if you are not wise enough, you will just lose it.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to set formulas, trying to set strategies for not that my Fiverr account and my Upwork account are not giving me money. I just need something extra. So mean that I need something personal to my own name. Like okay, getting jobs to my own name, then I can actually outsource the job to my team member. So that is what I'm actually looking for. Then just to say last week I opened a system, then I said, okay, this night I'm making not less than $500. So that is the energy.
Yeah.
So then, and you just finish, and if you remember, I messaged you that, okay, please, can you just give me this particular website? I was looking for this particular website. Please, I called you, but you were not online. So immediately you come online, you respond to me, and you give me the website. Then I actually sent a sample to the client. So the client said, okay, then we get to the business. So no long talk.
Yeah.
I don't force my other $300. Then the app application 1.5, so 750. Then second milestone to 750. So that is why I actually landed. But lot of messages, don't let me lie. Lot of messages. Some might actually be online, seeing your messages, but they will not respond. Out of 20, I was able to get 2 out of 20. And that does not mean I'm stopping. So I'll keep pushing until I actually reach my target. So
yeah,
that's it.
Yeah, that's very, very good. Very, very good. So can you give us like I know yes, everybody has already had me talk about it probably 20 times. How to message Google Maps. I even have the training, but that's why the price is actually going over. So it's 20,000 at the moment. But can you give us a like 4-step formula of how you message people? The first message, then once they respond, your second message, your third message, and how you not get payment.
Okay.
Now, how do you find people? Like how do you find them in the first place? Like what's platform are you using? How you
the first method I use based on what actually showed us. So the first one is open your browser, go to Google Maps. So now this is what I always do. If you are using normal browser, so So if you actually type Google Map, so your location or your map is based on your current locations. Like maybe you are in Agege or you are in Oshodi. You will actually see a Nigerian or a stuff like that. So you have to use a free VPN. Maybe use to go Sona Beer or Nord or Skype. Make sure you actually want to target. So I didn't actually target US because US is actually saturated.
Yes.
Okay, so I actually targeted Australia, Germany. So now those people, those countries, I don't actually target a populated area. So for Australia, I targeted I think is it Nambia or something like that. That's a non-populated city in Australia and a non-populated city in Germany as well. So now after that, then you search for a presence business in those countries.
Yeah.
So now the one I searched for was dog businesses. So maybe I searched dog businesses. It actually brings like about 20,000 for dog websites. So I niche it down to some people that they don't have much review, but they're actually looking up to the people at the top.
Yeah.
So the first message is I just copy the whole face from Google Map, then paste it to ChatGPT to help me develop an attractive post messages to them. And ChatGPT actually break down what their website is actually lacking. That is how I entered them.
Yeah.
So their website is actually lacking what's it called? Phone visibility, like the responsiveness for the phone is not properly placed. Then their SEO is not ranking. Yeah. And the color was mixed, the text was not balanced. So from there I know this website actually needs to be adjusted. So the only thing I said was I visited your site and saw opportunity to make it more modern, mobile friendly and conversion focused. So you can attract more booking and engagement. I create high converting websites and UX improvement fast. Want me to show you a quick demo of review of how it looks? And I put question mark. So I actually sent it to more than maybe 10 and one replied. So he said, wow. He said he's actually looking for a way to actually brand his website. That he has actually tried a lot of AI automation websites, but he's not getting it. I said, no. So I said, I'm actually collecting $600. So when I'm done, I will actually deliver, then can actually pay balance. So for the app development, I actually looking fully. So I actually got that one from Germany.
Okay.
So so the app is actually based on past life. Like they actually did past life people that are already dead. So I actually helped them to redesign their structures. So their UI is already making sense. So the only thing I implemented was their card payment integrations, we brand their app development and work on their marketing.
Wow.
So that's the method I use.
And what I want to tell you guys that are watching this, bear in mind, he's not a beginner, right? He has been making money on Fiverr before this. So when you see him executing some of this stuff, I'm not saying he's a complete beginner. So don't put that in your mind. But I'm not trying, that doesn't also mean you can't do it. I'm just trying to tell you, I'm trying to make it transparent. Okay, this guy is not a complete beginner. But bear in mind, even if you're a complete beginner and using Google Maps, this guy landed a job for, I think he said 750 and I think 15 and 600 or something, right? Hello?
I'm with you.
Yeah, I said you landed the two jobs. You say it's one for 1,500, the second one for 600, right?
Yeah, for 600, yes.
So that is a
And I only do this. I don't want it because I said the only thing that actually spoiled most of these clients is that most people requested payment outline. Some actually said they want to pay outline. You can actually agree, but I'm not a beginner and I actually know how to get a sustainable client.
Okay.
Not of things. So to be more professional, make sure you have a standard portfolio. Like your portfolio must be well standard, have a lot of reviews, or have something that you can actually share that they can actually trust. Okay, you actually work with people and they can actually trust you with their work. That is how I actually get to visibility. If I was unable to provide evidence, I would have lost the job.
Yeah.
So the only thing that saved me was me providing my work portfolios and evidence of people I've worked with. That is just the two things. So you as a beginner does not mean you cannot learn the same job or you cannot use the same pattern. Make sure if you want to start a framer like our store, so our tutor is a framer UI designer. Make sure you design your portfolio as a framer designer or as a website designer or as anything you are doing. Make sure you have a standard portfolio, because that will definitely make a way for you. That is the first thing. If you are scouting on the Google map, then make sure you are actually sending your messages along with your portfolio.
That's very good. Very, very good advice. So yeah, that's very, very good. So all you guys watching this, what I want to tell you is make sure you put in the work and see he applied to enough jobs. Many of you guys you apply to 2 jobs, 3 jobs, but you message 3 people, you message 2 people and you're expecting a job. Or more, maybe so somebody time maybe so by watching this type, maybe so in the chat, you need to be able to work. Even me, you see guys in the academy that are watching this or just in general, I see my money's applied. Yesterday I bought $50 worth of Upwork Connect. Today I bought another $20. I'm applying to jobs on some of my friends' Canadian Upwork account using any desk. Yesterday I bought $50 worth of Connect. That's about $3 worth of Connect. I am working, I'm applying to jobs. If I don't get any job for the next 3 months, I'm good. And I'm still applying to jobs, 3, 5 jobs a day. So you need to basically you need to put in so much work where the results have no option than to catch up. Like just put in so much work that is when you finally get that job, you're like, oh, this job should have come a long time. You're not the one that oh, you're just whenever you feel like one day, okay, when you don't have any idea, and everything's perfect, and one girl has given you a good job, and you finally let go. No, be so. You need to put in the work daily, have your target. If you don't want to do a lot, if it's 3 a day, make sure it's 3 a day. If it's 5 a day, make sure it's 5 a day. Any day you miss, do 10 next day. You understand? That's how to get it. And make sure you put in the right. So you guys click the link in my bio where you're watching this and get the full training. That will show you everything you need to do. There's a full academy and there's a Google Maps guide. The full academy will give you group chats and weekly coaching calls and ongoing support where you can DM me, ask questions, and for something videos I'll teach you everything you need to know to go from somebody that struggles to get jobs to somebody that can actually pay your rent on time, get a new car, get a new apartment, live the life you want, travel around the world. You understand? Take care of your parents, take care of your family, actually live a good life. Not like, oh, today you're living out tomorrow, today you're hitting money, tomorrow you're doing guy. How to actually break out of that cycle and actually get consistent jobs. That's why I teach, not just like just pack your head with knowledge. The knowledge is one thing. All those things you can learn them online. Web design, graphic design, can learn on YouTube for free. How do you get jobs consistently? That is very, very important. So thanks again. That will do, right? I hope yeah. So thanks again for it. So any guys, you guys want to text him as well, you can. What is your like? Do you have any Instagram, TikTok, anywhere that you post content? You can DM me to ask questions.
No, I'm not a camera person.
Okay.
So they want to reach me, you can reach me on just my WhatsApp number. So you have it. Okay. So anybody can actually message me through you. So I don't.
Yeah, I can see, and that's what I'll tell you guys too. You don't have to always show your face. This guy doesn't even show his face anywhere. Me, I prefer to show my face because like I teach and everything, and I'm comfortable with it. I feel I don't want to show their face, I can still make a lot of money. When I started getting my first few jobs and my face wasn't even showing, I was using a different profile. Yeah, and so many of you guys, I have that fear of like, oh, you need to show your face. You guys making good money. Many of my students, they don't even show their face at all. So that's another thing that's very important. As long as you have the work, you have something that is valuable. People don't need to see your face. The value is already there. They don't need to see. It's not a dating. I'm not trying to date you anything. The face is just there to build trust. But once you already have enough value, the trust doesn't even need to be. It's already there. You understand? By giving somebody an audit, a review, a free website, a free sample, a free logo, a free flyer, anything like that. They don't need to see your face. The value is already there. The trust is already there. So you don't need to see anything again. It's already. Do you understand? So that is it. Put in the work. And I want you guys to always. I think I'll probably add a page to my website called the testimony page where you can go and upload results because this guy, like I forgot to mention, this guy is not in my academy. This guy has not paid me anything. He's literally watching my free content. He has not paid me any money to join my academy, nothing. So this is free. These are sometimes I see people that are watching my free content are getting more jobs than my paid. Okay, because many people in the academy are not serious. So I'll probably add a section to my website because the results are getting so many. So maybe the website can just go there and upload anonymously or maybe add your information and everything. So thanks again, bro. So I'll catch you in the next one. Or do you have any other thing you want to share with everybody?
Okay, so I'm actually going to share this slide. The person actually teaching, some are actually coming to your live TikTok to learn, and some does not have the ability to pay for that amount of money at the moment. But I want you to do something for us. So maybe you can actually break down some of your classes into some stages that may actually help us to actually get some result, then we now actually come back to actually pay for more classes, because we actually know the value of things we actually put in for everyone out there. So and for everyone watching. So if you definitely want to actually come out from your let me call you poverty, because it's poverty. So I want to start earning six figures. So you cannot just start at a point A if you are not being taught. So nobody actually knows it all. So make sure you actually join every live, because I always put your live on notification, because it always pop up. So one thing or the other, I've definitely make sure I give from it, even though I'm not actually joining from beginning to the end. The time I actually join, I always pick something else, and that thing always definitely brings me. So at some point, I felt like this thing is not working, but I keep on trying. Who is going to actually believe that out of 20 messages I'll be sending, sometimes I feel relented, like, okay, I'm not sending any message today, but out of 20 particular messages, I was able to get through, and it will actually cover for the losses. So, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So thanks again. Love you all guys. Make sure to subscribe to the page. If you ever watch this TikTok, Instagram, I don't know. If you click the follow button, subscribe, and comment down below the word course. Comment down below the word course. I'll give you the Google Maps training, the link together. You can click the link in my bio to get the training on how this Google Maps method works. We show you how to build websites with AI. Even if you don't know how to build anything, you don't know anything about AI, you don't know anything about web design, you don't know anything about coding, you don't need to be a coder. AI is going to build it for you. Literally 2-3 messages and to build a website for you. And I'll show you how to sell it using Google Maps. Google Maps is free. AI tools, most of them are free. Some of them are paid, but most of them are free. So all this stuff is free. With no money, you can start making money. You understand? So thanks again, bro. Bye. Have a good night.
All right. I see.